Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other mid-size pickup can match. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We're conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.